Hey everyone, this morning I'm headed over to drop the trailer off at Master Applied Coating, Tallahassee, Florida. It's a subdivision of Vinnie's of Northbay, if you don't know yet. I'm really excited. I've been trying to get this done for a long time, but scheduling and where I was in the country couldn't work it out, but we decided to drop this thing off this morning, and looking forward to seeing how the process goes. Hey, I had a really awesome day with Briston and the team there today. Our trailer is still over there tonight, so it's in a safe, clean environment, and they'll start the application of the ceramic coating tomorrow. And really excited to see that process. And had a great day. Really fantastic crew. Have a good evening, and we'll follow up soon.